Welcome to all. Assalamu alaikum. My name is SM Anis Ahmed Jibon. I am a student of Sonargaon University, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. My ID last 4 digit 4069. Our presentation is about electrical house wiring in residential building. The electrical system design solve challenges which are related to design and development to ensure that they are economical, safe, and reliable. This also includes electrical layouts, light, earthing, and voltage drop. Engineers use design for production, transportation, and distribution of the electricity. 11 members of Group C are MD Imon Hossain, MD Tanvir Wahid, MD Sakib Hassan, MD Atikur Rahman, MD Ratul Hossain, A Rahman, Using Toi Marma, MD Abdul Awal, MD Rubel Sheikh, MD Tasinul Haq, SM Anis Ahmed Jibon, MD Asif Hossain. Now requested to tell A Rahman about architectural layout.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Rahman. I am from Sonargaon University, Tripoli 24A. My ID 4049. My presentation is residential building electrical house wiring. I will take about 3 things. My floor house design in architecture layout plan and floor plan AutoCAD design with second floor. Architecture design details: 2 bedroom, 2 adjust bathroom, 1 kitchen, 1 dining, 1 stairs, 2 veranda. This project working AutoCAD version 2017. Please tell the next person. Now Anis Ahmed Jibon discuss with fitting and fixer symbol.
Thank you. This slide, fitting and fixers symbol. A chart is given of the fitting and fixers we used in residential building. In the chart, 2-pin socket, 3-pin socket, TV socket, TV antenna socket, switchboard, lights, ceiling light, meter board, main distribution board, exhaust fan, and ceiling fan were used. Next slide, fitting and fixers plan. 4 bedrooms have 1 fan, 1 tube light, 1 bracket lamp, 1 switchboard, 1 TV socket, and 1 3-pin socket. In addition to ceiling light in the balcony, 1 lights in the washroom, 1 3-pin socket by exhaust fan, and a switchboard in the kitchen room. This slides cable and conduit size. This slide show cable and conduit size measurements. Next slide, AutoCAD DWG conduit layout. This slide shows AutoCAD DWG conduit layout. To this, we use AutoCAD Electrical 2070 software. This slide conduit layout for given fitting and fixers. This slide shows the position between conduit and fittings fixers, where wiring can be done very smoothly. And green dotted line is conduit layouts. Thank you. Now requested to tell MD Abdul Awal, AutoCAD, DWG fitting and fixers.
Thanks, Mr. John. My name is Abdul Awal. My ID last 4 digit 4063. I presentation slide AutoCAD DWG fittings and fixtures. Here we use AutoCAD Electrical 2017 software. Next slide. Emergency line layout. This layout shows how to make an IPS connection. In this circuit, we use an electric IPS, some gang switch, light, and an ETC electric device. Thanks. I welcome Mr. Atik to tell the next slide.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Atikur Rahman. My ID is 4044. Thank you, Mr. Awal, for giving me this opportunity. My presentation is HDB power distribution board. Here is incoming 220 volt. There is MCB 32 ampere and SPD surge protective device. And here is a bus bar, and we use 9 MCB Baker miniature circuit breaker. 6 are used in house wiring or fridge or motor, and 3 MCB are spare. Thank you very much. I would like to Mr. Imon Hossain to please finish our project.
Thank you all. We have completed this presentation with the combined efforts of all. Thank you so much.
Thanks to everyone. Everyone is involved in this presentation and helping from all sides. Especially thanks our class course teacher, Swadesh Bhakta sir. Thank you.